sleep with the beasts. You woke me down in the streets. You pull on my leash and there I come.
Hello humans, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to another IGTV. I decided to do this IGTV today because I came across a phrase that I had written about a book I read a while ago that I have spoken to you a lot about, which is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty, whatever the pronunciation is, I'm sorry. I'm sure Jay Shetty is not watching, but Jay Shetty might. Anyway, yeah, so I came across this phrase, which is don't focus on the things, or not don't focus, but instead of just focusing on the goals you're trying to achieve or the things you want to get done today. For example, in your morning routine, when you do your goal setting, your intention setting, I don't know if you have this in your day, if it's a habit, but it's really important and it has changed my life to implement this time in the morning to make sure I have a list of whatever I need to do today and with all the things that I want to accomplish during the day. And he spoke about not just focusing on what you actually want to achieve, but also, and even more importantly, on who you want to be to achieve this. So you want to achieve a more peaceful relationship with your mom. I don't know, it's a random example. Instead of focusing and instead of writing that down in the morning in your intention setting, oh, I want to be, or I want to have a better relationship with this person, it would be much more interesting for you to actually have to think about who do you need to be in order to get there. What are the things you can implement in who you are and your personality, in the way you handle conflict, in the way you react to someone, that are gonna get you to that goal. It's a much easier and much simpler, I think, way to actually get somewhere with your goals, rather than just having general goals that are great but a bit harder to achieve if you don't have an actionable thing that you have today that you can do. And there's another book who was speaking about that the other day. I think it's The Art of Living. Yeah, it's The Art of Living. He said at some point in the book that your actions reflect who you're being at the moment. So the quality of your actions is a reflection of the quality of your being. Yeah, the quality of your actions is a reflection of the quality of your being. That was a quote. And I try to think about that every single morning when I'm doing my intention setting, because it makes things really much more actionable in terms of, okay, what I want to accomplish today. I don't want to have a bad encounter with this person, or I want to get this done. For example, if you have trouble being disciplined or getting things done when it comes to your training and everything, if you don't want to skip the gym, rather than being like, okay, I want to be fit today, it's much more actionable to be like, okay, who do I need to be? I need to be disciplined. I need to be focused on my goal. I need to be, and all the things you need to be to get there. And that's gonna give your brain an easier path and kind of a ladder to get to whatever it is that you're planning to achieve this day or even in the week. So I just thought it was an interesting thing to share, and it's a concept that kind of I'm trying to remind myself all the time when I'm not getting to where I want to be in the day. I also try to hold myself accountable, or okay, I really had to not be something today because I didn't accomplish this. So what is it that I wasn't? And it's a good cycle to have in your mind when you're trying to have some accountability for your goals. So yeah, that's it. I still recommend you the book so much because it's really good. But yeah, I just wanted to share that, and I hope you have an amazing day. Mwah.